How to fix Lensa crashing on your Android. Is your Lensa suddenly closing every time you try to create those viral magic avatar? It's a common and really annoying problem, but we can actually fix it in just a few steps. First, let's try the simplest solution. Just restart your phone. A quick reboot can solve surprisingly a number of app glitches by clearing out your phone's memory. Go ahead and try that now. Did that trick work? If not, we'll move on to clearing the cache. For that, what you have to do is simply go to the phone settings. Can see my settings right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Once you're inside it, you'll be seeing a settings section, and this is exactly how it looks like. Once you're inside it, simply tap on apps, which is right over here, and go inside it. Under the apps, tap on the all apps and there search for the Lensa. Under the app info, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Now what you need to do is simply tap on storage and cache, which is right over here for the third option. Let's tap on it. And there you will be finding an option called clear cache. Simply tap on it and the cache is cleared. And if it is still crashing, head over to the Google Play Store and check is there an update waiting for the Lensa. Developers frequently release update to fix the bugs like this, so make sure you are on the latest version. Let's go to the Google Play Store and search it. Let's search for the Lensa. And here you can see an option for the update is not available. That means I'm using the updated version of Lensa. As a final step, you can try a full reinstall. For that, simply tap on the uninstall, which is right over here, then install it again from the Play Store. This gives the app a completely fresh restart for your phone. One of these first steps should get you back to creating. With one ended up being fixed for you? Drop a comment below to let us know. And that's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.